Hi guys, this is Katrina Anne and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna do unboxing from the things I bought from Amazon. Let's start with a big box.
Push it away from you. So, okay, what I need first is
Tripod. You what it's called? When I buy things from Amazon, I usually just go by the ratings or the reviews. So I try to make it to the point that I usually buy those who has 4 stars, 4 and up stars, and of course it's cheap. This is a tripod for iPhone, pay you 50 inches, 2-in-1. So I usually ask my cousin's iPad to take a picture of us. Usually that's what we use when we take videos here in the house. So I put it at 2-in-1 so I can use it to my iPhone and to her iPad. I also bought, it's an Ulanzi mini LED video light. So this one, and of course this one, Rode microphone. It's well recommended, and most of the vloggers and YouTube video makers or YouTubers use this microphone. So this one is from Rode. And then the next one, it actually came really fast. Well, it's a smartphone video rig. So you can put it in your tripod and then you place it there, and then you can put your video microphone on top and this light on top together, and then like this. Still see me? Like this. And then your iPhone will be at the center. So I'll just set it up. This is how it looks inside.
They said it is annoying.
Yes, sir. There you go. Hello. I hope everything I bought in Amazon is really good. I don't have to return it. Oops. I don't have to return it immediately. Okay. Yes. I hope it works. Testing. Oh my god, it works. Oh. So now let's see this tripod. We can take the video. Oops. So see, it has casing. This is for your iPad and phone, and it comes with a Bluetooth remote shutter. Okay, with this one, I might as well put this now before I use it. Jesus, make things. Ooh, got scratches now. Jeez. Well, by the way, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Well, it's light. I think. Yeah, it goes here. There you go. Oh. I'm so proud of the things I bought. Well, I want to make a shout out to Nino Sagit. Nino, hello. That's the angle of the iPad on the tripod. So I think I'm pretty much satisfied. Well, I guess that's it.